Okay. Here we are on Ambrose Farm. Beautiful, sunny Sunday afternoon. The blueberry field is so full of bumblebees. If you stand quietly, you can hear them. There are thousands of them in this field. They're going from one blossom to the next, gathering pollen and also leaving a little. Every time they stop, a little pollen from another flower is left, and we'll have little baby blueberries. When will we have blueberries? June. Just in time for it to be really hot. Okay, everybody look forward to those blueberries. We'll open up for you pick.